My passion has always been to help people. I enjoy putting a smile on someone's face, whether it's just by being kind or making them a little less fearful. My family growing up had an aversion to the dentist. They did not like going. I chose the dental assisting program because I wanted to alleviate that fear.
The dental assistant is the backbone of the office. It's a key role in the dental team. Dental assistants are one of the first contacts that patients have. We are the ones that are going to answer their questions about the treatment that's recommended by the doctor. We're going to reassure them, make them feel comfortable. A lot of people don't realize how much the oral health affects the entire body, so we can have a big impact on their life.
Growing up, my mom always told me, forget the stars, shoot for the moon. And I feel like being here at Clover Park, I have been given the opportunity to do just that. I have been a single parent for almost 8 years now, and I had to jump through a lot of hoops to get to the point where I needed to be. I've learned so much in such a short amount of time, and my confidence has changed so drastically. All these things have helped me prepare to be a better parent, a better employee, and a better person overall in my community.
Here in the program, the students are each other's first patients. They get to practice on each other, they get to learn, they get to make their mistakes, and then they get to grow from it together. We touch on every single specialty that there is, and so students are well prepared to go out into a career.
Each student that I've come in contact with has also had this positive energy and excitement, and it's a contagious feeling here. It's a great opportunity to get to know other people that are just as excited as you are for the same subjects.
Our program is accredited. That means that we are constantly updating our curriculum, and that's based on feedback that we get from students, from past graduates, and from doctors on our advisory board. We're not only teaching students technical skills, but the soft skills. So we are always keeping in mind that we are preparing someone for a career. Everything that we do is going back to industry and to help the students become successful.
It was a big leap of faith for me. I had to get my GED, and I had to get on the right track with work and balancing school so that I could provide for my children. My first day, I was so happy to be here. I felt like I was finally where I needed to be. It's just been an awesome experience.